Graduation Day speech for UKG students. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear fellow graduates. My name is Ganvita A from UKG. Today I am delighted to welcome to all. Today is my last day at UKG. We all are here to celebrate graduation day. I would like to share my experience with you. We learnt many things like stories, rhymes, discipline, good manners, many more things during my journey. I am grateful to all my hard-working teachers. They always loved us and taught us with good care. Finally, all the best, my fellow graduates. Thank you.